natural ways to soothe a cough. Experience relief without relying on heavy medications. Start with hydration. Warm fluids soothe the throat, relieving irritation and dryness. Try herbal teas or simple warm water. Honey is your friend. Its natural antibacterial properties and soothing texture can help calm a cough. Steam inhalation can do wonders. Warm moist air loosens mucus, helping you breathe easier. Consider a steamy shower or a humidifier. Spices aren't just for cooking. Ginger and turmeric have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporate them into your diet or brew into a healing tea. Remember, rest is crucial. Your body heals during sleep. Ensure you get enough restful nights to recover fully from your cough. Subscribe today for daily